In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Sendwave. First, open your Sendwave app and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked for a few basics to set up your account securely. Enter your full legal name, then your email address. Next, tap the flag icon beside the phone field to choose your country code. You can search or scroll to find the right one, for example, United States, and then enter your mobile number. Tap the prompt that asks where you're sending first and choose the destination country, so the app can tailor fees and delivery options. Check the consent box to agree to the terms, then tap Sign Up. A verification code will be texted to your phone. Enter that code exactly as received. Now create your PIN. Choose a number you can remember, but don't share. Tap. Create PIN, re-enter it to confirm, and tap Confirm PIN. You'll see a message that your account was created. On the dashboard, you're ready to send money. Tap Recipient, then select your payment method. Choose bank transfer if you're sending to a bank account. Enter the recipient's full name, their mobile number, and retype the mobile number to avoid typos. Tap Save, then continue to send. Because this is a new account, you'll need to verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your ID. Then select the purpose of the account. Tap Finish, then Continue. Choose your country, select the type of document you'll use, and tap Continue, then Continue again. Tap Start to begin. Follow the on-screen guide to capture your document clearly. Use good lighting, avoid glare, and make sure all corners are visible. Then submit the photo. Next, start the short face recording as prompted, tap Start, and complete the scan. When it's done, tap Continue to send. Now add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card, enter your card details, and provide your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. Tap Continue. Select the payment method you want to use for this transfer. Tap Continue to send, and finally, tap Confirm Transfer. Before confirming, it's a good idea to double-check the recipient's details, the amount, and any fees or exchange rates shown. If something looks off, go back and edit. That's it. Your first Sendwave transfer is on its way, and your account is all set for future sends.